Guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel. Sorry guys, I was not making videos because I was so busy with my exams. So I'll be posting videos. So watch, like, subscribe and share and enjoy today's video. And the topic for today's video is polo. The polo lovers should watch this video. Thank you. Now I'll explain you the polo game. So let's get started. So I'll tell you the main things first, then I'll explain you. So this is the mallet, and these three are mallet, and these two are whip, and these are polo pads. Basically, these are called knee pads. And this is the helmet, and these are the shoes for polo boots, and this is the other stuff. So let's explain. So now I'll explain. So these are the two mallets that we play. If we play polo, then we will hold these two mallets if we are playing polo. So this mallet is 53. This mallet number is 53 and this mallet number is 52. So now I'll tell you the differences. So the mallet that is 52 is a medium size and 53 is a larger size. So if your horse is of a bigger size, then you have to use 53. If your horse is much of a medium size or small size, then you can use 52. Okay, these are the mallets. And guys, do you know who is the best polo team in the world? Comment down below. Now I'll explain you more things. So these are the pads. So these are the whips, and now you are thinking that why I am holding one small whip and one bigger. Sorry, this is the small whip and this is the bigger whip. I'm sorry, my fault, my bad. So this smaller size whip is of riding. Basically, it's of if you are doing riding, only riding, no polo. So you have to use a smaller whip. Okay, and if you are playing polo, then you have to use a bigger whip because we are also holding a mallet. Okay, that's why I told you the differences why I have a small whip and a big whip. And this is the helmet. The helmets are all same. The riding and the polo helmets, they're all same. And you have to wear the helmet. You have to wear the helmet properly. The grip on your chin, and you have to wear it properly before you sit on the horse. Okay. Now, guys, these are the gloves. And now I think you guys are thinking, why do we need to wear gloves? We can hold a mallet like this. So I'll tell you the reason. If you are holding the mallet without gloves, this part from here till here, it will get very sweat. So that's why we have to wear gloves. If we will wear gloves, then the grip will get much better. Okay. And basically I'm trying to learn polo. Inshallah, I will be Pakistan youngest polo in couple of months. So subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And I also have opened my Insta channel. Subscribe to my Insta channel as well, Zarun Explores. So let's come on to the topic. So what I was telling, I forgot. Guys, as I told you a lot of things about polo. The main thing, you can also play polo in your house. Ask why? So the answer is, buy a foot-long stick. Like this is the foot-long stick, you can see. Sorry, leg-long stick. So you have to hold the grip. You can see the grip of the polo, but you have to do like this. Then you have to pull like this, and you have to do like this. And this is the polo ball. The polo ball is white. You can see there are a lot of dents on the polo ball. So I have played with this ball too much. So I played too much. So the new ball is cost in Pakistan about 4,000-5,000. So you can buy it, and it's bigger size like tennis ball. So when I'm free at home, I go in my garden and do practice of polo. I do back sweep like this, and I do front swing like this, and these type of things. And guys, you have to play polo. It's a very good game, guys, I'm telling you. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and my Insta channel. And the main thing, if you are done with your horse riding or polo, I'm recommending you first learn horse riding, then learn polo. Or you can do tent packing. Tent packing is also a good like sport in horse riding, or you can play polo. I have choose polo. I'm playing polo. Like I'm playing for here. So I'm like I know how to do full swing and back swing everything. So this is good, and we have apple. After you're done with your riding or polo, you have to feed your horse with your own hands, with the gur or the apple. The best option, I feed my horse with the gur. Okay? As you are thinking why I wear glasses, there are two reasons. Because of the sun, and one reason is when I was playing the chakar, there's one player, his name is Hussain. He's a very good player, and he's of like 15-16 years old. So he told me his story that when I was playing chakar, the ball came and hit my eye. So my eye was about to it had very pain. So I went to hospital. I did a lot of things. It's a very long story. So the main thing is you have to wear the glasses, because if the ball will hit you on your eye, so the glasses will protect. And you have to buy the glasses curved. You can see, guys, these glasses, these are curved. So hopefully you enjoyed my gear explanation, whatever. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share and support me. And